Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Toyota's 1988 to 1995 Hilux. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove your vehicle's bed, followed by moving any lines and wire harnesses from the work area. Begin by removing the bolt and nut retaining your leaf spring with a 19mm socket. And push the spring out of the way. Step 3. Our part features a removable perforated plate to allow the part to go around the nearby bed mount. If you're not replacing the mount, remove this plate as needed. Measure the distance from the rear of the frame to the edge of the leaf spring mount to be used as an installation reference later. Remove the spring mount. Exhaust hanger, and nearby bed mount, if applicable. The included inner support plate and featured alignment tabs will need to fit in between the frame rail and the spare tire crossmember. In order for it to fit, you'll need to open up the shown gaps a small amount. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Followed by coating the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 4. Use the measurement you took of the frame rail and spring mount and use it to weld the new included spring mount onto the bottom of the new frame section. Note: the spring mount comes unwelded to allow for custom non-stock spring setups. Insert the included inner plate while using the bottom tabs and holes to help with alignment. The hole furthest from the center of the plate orients towards the rear of the vehicle. Step 5. C-clamp and tack weld the part into place and verify its alignment. Following proper welding procedures, weld the part to the frame fully around all edges. Coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your leaf spring, and you're done.